Here we go, a new school year with brand new uncertainties. It's easy to forget that leading a district, a school, a classroom, none of this was ever easy. We strive to provide rigorous instruction, introduce social-emotional learning, make database decisions, engage with families and communities, and then on top of it all, tackle distance learning. We take it all on because it's what we do as educators, but we don't have to do it alone. Here at CAREI, we strive to be the premier network hub that builds educators' database decision-making capacity through high-quality technical assistance, professional learning, and program evaluation and education. Led by Dr. Kim Gibbons and her experience as an educator, administrator, researcher, and author, the CAREI team offers deep knowledge and expertise to serve the needs of districts of all kinds. By becoming a member of the CAREI District Assembly, your district gains access to a wide array of resources and opportunities that include our brand new on-demand recovery and redesign course that consists of 7 self-paced modules that focus on meeting the needs of the whole child with attention to equity and social-emotional learning. This course was developed with Dr. Clay Cook, who is well known for his extensive work in promoting social-emotional learning across the country. CAREI members also attend 4 district assembly meetings that provide professional learning from experts with a focus on a variety of important topics that include literacy, eliminating opportunity gaps, and more. Our first district assembly meeting will be held on October 28th, where we'll be joined by Dr. Clay Cook to learn more about social-emotional learning. Our monthly Research Watch electronic newsletter with research summaries across a number of practical topics that are meaningfully selected with educators in mind. Our members-only section that includes policy briefs, implementation inventories and checklists, data protocols, practice guides, and more. And a 25% discount on CAREI professional learning opportunities and other CAREI services. And now, for the very first time, we're extending the opportunity for CAREI membership beyond our state borders, so that schools and districts across the country can join in on the benefits of a CAREI membership. All of this is available for the price of sending just 1 or 2 staff members to a single professional conference. We give you a lot because we know what schools can do when they are given the research and resources to succeed. That is why CAREI membership is one of the best ways that a district can stay connected to emerging knowledge about educational policy and practice. Now more than ever, we recognize the difficulty of staying on top of new research, initiatives, and practices in education. At CAREI, we are committed to offering you the resources and guidance necessary to meet the needs of your students and answer the call of education under any circumstances we may face. Consider becoming a member of the CAREI District Assembly today.